Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the projector's throw ratio and native resolution. This dictates maximum crisp screen size. Measure the throw distance from lens to planned screen plane, then divide distance by the throw ratio to find screen width. Once done, make sure the lens shift and zoom have enough travel so you won't need extreme keystone correction. If gaps appear, choose a lens with a shorter throw or reposition the mount. Act now to avoid later distortion. You install the selected lens and fasten it correctly, then power the projector and project a high-contrast test pattern. Start with zoom set to the calculated width, adjust focus across the screen, and use lens shift to center the image without keystone whenever possible. Keystone adds blur and softness. Once aligned, systematically check focus at the center and all four corners, making small mechanical adjustments for uniform sharpness. If edges are soft, back off. You finalize by locking mount hardware, running a full calibration for color and sharpness, and confirming the projected image fills the intended screen area without keystone. Make sure ambient light is minimized, and the screen surface gain matches the projector's lumen output so contrast stays high. If the image is soft, missized, or vignetting occurs, remeasure the throw distance, verify you installed the correct lens model, and repeat alignment. One key troubleshooting step is to swap to the projector's native zoom position and reassess alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.